Takeoff clips have to be used for removal. Red and blue takeoff clips are used with a red and blue frame. Yellow takeoff clips are used with a yellow frame. A few things to remember when removing a connector are: the yellow booster is never used for removal. The blue booster removes yellow connectors, and the red booster removes blue and red connectors. When installing either takeoff clip, the high side should be against the ram. Yellow installation. Start near the lance and slide back towards ram. When you install, it is open side of the frame to open side of the connector. For removal, it is open side of the frame to closed side of the connector. With the yellow frame, the yellow wedge is held with the yellow stop of the frame. Make sure the takeoff clip is lined up with the C-member. With the blue and red frame, a blue wedge is held with the blue stop, while the red wedge is held with the red stop. For more detailed instructions, refer to the table of contents in the Safety Operating and Maintenance Instructions.